This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Steiding. Lakeview Gated Townhouse in Southern Manatee County. Leasing is permissible and approval is not required. Townhouse features are open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, 2.5 baths, ceramic tile on entire first floor, screened lanai on lake. Enjoy the community amenities of heated pool, tennis, basketball court, and kiddie park. Pets are welcomed, no pet restrictions. Tenants can have pets at the sole discretion of the owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Steiding at 813-330-0530.